All right, turning now to more local news. This afternoon, bond has been lowered for the man accused of killing his 10-year-old son in a rollover crash over this weekend.
He's charged with felony murder and his hearing ended just a few hours ago. Our Michelle Choi was there and joins us now from the Harris County Criminal Justice Center. Michelle.
Yeah, Marcelino and Sherman, Emanuel Camacho-Patino's initial bond was set at $1 million in probable cause court over the weekend. Well, this morning, a judge lowered it to $100,000 instead. The 34-year-old suspect is charged with felony murder. This morning, Camacho-Patino stood in front of a judge wearing an orange jumpsuit and handcuffs, accompanied by a Spanish-speaking translator. The judge says she was lowering his bond based on the information presented, his lack of criminal history, and ties to the community. We learned Camacho-Patino has been living in the Houston area for more than 17 years and provides for his wife and now 4 children, working as a machine operator. He's accused of driving drunk Saturday night in Huffman with his 10-year-old son in the passenger seat. Investigators say the boy wasn't wearing a seatbelt when his dad lost control, flipped the truck into a ditch after a tread cap came off a back tire and caused a blowout. They say the boy died at the scene. In court, Camacho-Patino's defense attorney says she believed this could have been an accident. And while prosecutors did say there was evidence of a blowout, they also said that night Camacho-Patino admitted to drinking 2 12-ounce beers and that he smelled of alcohol and had bloodshot eyes. They say deputies gave him a field sobriety test and he failed some aspects of it, but not all of them.
However, it's not just a pass-fail test. It's not just one test. It's a totality of the circumstances.
We also learned a breath test wasn't given, but a blood alcohol test was, something prosecutors say is common when it comes to felony cases.
It's a safer way to do so. It's also more reliable with the blood. So we automatically go for a search warrant and obtain their blood.
But getting those results back, prosecutors say, will likely take months due to a backlog in both the county and city labs. As for why Camacho-Patino is charged with felony murder, prosecutors say it's because he was driving intoxicated with a child when they say he caused his death.
And when someone is committing a felony and then causes the death of someone else, you can charge that as a felony murder, and that's exactly what we did here.
Yeah, in addition to lowering his bond, a judge set several bond conditions for Camacho-Patino, including no driving as well as wearing a scram device which detects alcohol, warning that she would have zero tolerance if he were to break either condition. Back to you.
All right, Michelle, thank you for bringing the story.